How to turn off Show Me in Quick Add on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to turn off this option. Just watch the video till the end. You go first and you open Snap. After this, when your Snap it's open, as you see here, it's camera. You go here on your profile or your profile icon, then you click and then go to your settings here and click again. Then you will go down and you will go to See Me in Quick Add and click, and then as you see Show Me in Quick Add, this option it's activated. I will reactivate it by turning off this option by clicking in this blue icon like this, and that's it guys. So I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.